Coming to Vishama Vyapti. If two things in a Vyapti exist with unequal denotations, it is called as Vishama Vyapti. You will understand this better with an example. Example is that wherever there is smoke, there is fire. Etra etra dhuma, tatra tatra agni. This is an example for Vishama Vyapti. Because fire can exist without smoke, but smoke cannot exist without fire. So there is a inequality. This type of Vyapti is called Vishama Vyapti. Coming to Drishtanta. Understanding Drishtanta is very important because it is sometimes very difficult to differentiate between Vyapti and Drishtanta. Both are entirely different but little bit similar. Drishtanta is nothing but an example. Whenever there is a statement, we need to provide an example or a proof in order to prove that statement. Such examples given in order to prove a statement is called Drishtanta. For example, the normal one, when we say wherever there is smoke, there is fire. This is a statement. The example for this is like in kitchen. Wherever there is light, there is darkness. Like day and night. Drishtantas is again divided into two. One is Bhavaatmaka, second is Abhavaatmaka. Coming to Bhavaatmaka Drishtanta. This is a type of Drishtanta in which Sadhya and Hedu exist together. Hedu is the cause, Sadhya is the thing to be proved. They exist together in a common location or paksha. For example, for Bhavaatmaka is that fire and smoke exist in the mountain. Fire and smoke existing in the mountain. Coming to second type, that is Abhavaatmaka Drishtanta. This is a type of Drishtanta where Sadhya and Hedu does not exist together in a location or paksha. For example, there is no smoke in the lake, so there is no fire in the lake. So this type of example is called Abhavaatmaka Drishtanta, because Sadhya and Hedu does not coexist together. Coming to an end to Anumana Pramana, series 1 part 6 to be continued in Anumana Pramana series 2.